This is Microsoft Designer powered by AI, backed by Microsoft. But here's the real question: is it actually free or just another AI tool hiding behind credits? Today I'll show you exactly what you get, what you don't, and whether Microsoft Designer is worth using in 2026. And trust me, this tool is not for everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to Priyo Promo, the channel where we break down AI tools honestly, without hype, without sponsorship, and without wasting your money. If you are a designer, content creator, a student, or business owner, this review is very important for you. In this video, we will cover Microsoft Designer, website overview, AI feature explained, signing in security, credit system truth, what you can do for free, what you cannot, real user rating and reviews, pros, cons, and final verdict. So let's get started. Step 1. First, go to Google Chrome and search for designer.microsoft.com. As soon as you enter the website, you will see three main options: create with AI, edit with AI, design from scratch. The interface looks clean, modern, and very similar to other Microsoft products. Step 2. Left panel and design categories. On the left side, click the three dot menu. From there, you will see graphic designs, visual media templates, visual assist. This clearly shows that Microsoft Designer is focused on social content and quick design, not heavy professional graphic work. Step 3. Sign in and security experience. Now let's sign in. On the right side, click sign in. You can see Microsoft account or Gmail account. I sign in using my Microsoft account, and for security, Microsoft asked for mobile verification. That's a good sign. It shows strong security and legitimacy. Step 4. Free credits reality check. After signing in, I noticed something important. Microsoft Designer gives 15 free AI credits. Just 15. But here's the truth. Those credits are very limited. You can explore the interface, but you cannot freely edit images or fully rely on those credits for real work. So yes, Microsoft Designer is practically free but not unlimited and not fully functional for heavy users. Step 5. Editing an image. Now I upload an image to see if I can edit it for free. When I click edit image, I see powerful tools like text, visual adjustments, makeup and enhancements, layers. From a feature perspective, everything looks impressive. Step 6. Create with AI feature. Next, I click on create with AI. From here, you can generate designs using prompts, edit visuals using AI, customize layouts quickly. This is where Microsoft Designer shines, especially for beginners and fast content creation. If this breakdown is helping you, hit the like button. Subscribe to Priyo Promo because we review AI tools the way users actually use them. Now let's talk about reviews and real world feedback. Step 7. Ratings and public reviews. Microsoft Designer has a strong public reputation. Overall rating 4.6 out of 5. Most users appreciate is to use clean UI, AI powered creativity, Microsoft ecosystem integration. Positive feedback. Let's talk about the positives. Very beginner friendly, clean professional interface, good AI design suggestion, strong Microsoft security and trust, perfect for social media graphics. If you are not a designer, these tools feels welcoming. Now, negative feedback, but there are limitations. Very limited free credits, not suitable for advanced graphic designer. AI customization is restricted, depends heavily on Microsoft ecosystem. Professional may feel limited. So in short, pros: easy, safe, beginner friendly, fast AI beginners. Cons: limited credits, not for advanced design work. Final verdict: should you use it? So should you use Microsoft Designer? Good for beginners, social media creators, students, small business, Microsoft user. Not ideal for professional graphic designers like me, complex branding projects, advanced Photoshop level work. My honest verdict: Microsoft Designer is safe, legitimate, and useful for quick AI based designs, but it's not a replacement for professional design software. Mind it. I have tested it, explained it clearly, and shared the real pros and cons. Now the choice is yours. If you want more honest AI and tech reviews, subscribe Priyo Promo, like this video, share with it friends, like this video, share it with friends, and comment below which AI tool should I review next. Remember, not every AI tool is made for everyone. Stay smart, stay creative. I'll see you in the next video.